Hey guys, welcome back to Scrummy Recipes. Today's recipe is a rich and luscious creamy mushroom pasta. They are delicious, vegetarian and packed in nutrients, yet they are super easy to make. Hope you guys like it. For this recipe, boil water in a cooking pot and add generous amount of salt. Now add 1.5 cup of dried pasta to the boiling water. I'm using macaroni over here. Give a good mix and let's cook the pasta on medium-high heat. Make sure that you do not overcook the pasta. The pasta has to be al dente, which means that the cooked texture of the pasta has to be soft but has a firm bite to it. Alright, so my pasta is cooked now. It took around 5 to 6 minutes to cook the pasta. The time will vary for everyone, so the best option would be to keep an eye on the pasta and check the pasta every 2 to 3 minutes. That should do. Let us drain the pasta and keep it aside. Now take a kadai or pan and to this we'll add 1 tablespoon of oil. You can use any oil. I'm using olive oil over here. And add half cup of green capsicum. Sauté the capsicum on medium heat for 1 minute. If you do not like capsicum, you can replace the capsicum with regular onion. Now add 1.5 cup of sliced mushrooms. Sauté the mushroom on medium heat until they turn soft and golden brown in color. Okay, so you will notice that the mushroom has started to seep out water. So continue to cook on medium-high heat until the water is fully evaporated. In the meantime, let us season the mushroom with some salt and with some pepper. Continue to cook until the water is fully evaporated. Okay, so you can see that the water is fully evaporated now and the mushroom is nice, soft and golden brown in color. So let's take out the vegetables. Now to the same pan, add 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm using unsalted butter over here. Melt the butter on low heat. To the melted butter, add 2 tablespoons of regular flour. Now using a silicone whisk, mix and cook the flour on low heat until the raw smell of the flour is gone. Okay, so the raw smell of the flour is gone. So to this, let's add 2 cups of regular milk. Make sure that the milk is at room temperature and we are going to add milk little by little while continuously stirring the mixture. This will make sure that our sauce is smooth and creamy and lump free. Okay, so I have kept the entire clip over here to show you that how easy it is to transform a clump of flour into a smooth and creamy sauce. All you have to do is make sure that the milk is at room temperature. Alright, so you can see that our sauce is lump-free and smooth. So let's add the rest of the milk and bring this mixture to a boil. Add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic. Mix well and bring the sauce to a boil to thicken. And make sure that you are stirring the sauce occasionally. Alright, so our sauce has started to thicken. So to this, let's add salt to your taste, pepper to your taste, and finally Italian seasoning to your taste. I am adding around 1 teaspoon of Italian seasoning. If you do not have Italian seasoning at home, you can replace it with chili flakes or dried oregano. That will also do. Now give everything a very good mix. Now add 3/4 cup of grated cheese. I am using white cheddar cheese over here. If you do not have cheddar cheese, you can use any processed cheese. Mix well until the cheese is fully melted. And our pasta base is ready. It is nice and smooth, rich and creamy. So let's add back our sautéed vegetables. Give them a rough mix. And lastly, let's add back the cooked pasta to the sauce. Give everything a good mix until the pasta is well coated. And you can see it right away that our pasta is super creamy and delicious. If you feel that the pasta sauce is a bit too thick, you can always add a little extra water or milk to thin out the sauce. Our creamy mushroom pasta is now ready. I have transferred the pastas to a serving plate and garnished with sliced black olives. They are picture perfect and taste amazing. Do try them out, guys, and share a pic with us. Hope you guys liked our video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us on Instagram. I'll see you guys again with another Scrummy recipe. Until then, bye bye.